So, you want to buy it? I am very tempted right now, but I'm telling myself I shouldn't. But at the same time, I kind of want to. Nah, I'm not going to. Or maybe. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a bit of a weird day. We're heading to a car show, but I'm not just going there to hang out. I might be selling the 3 Series there. Well, not actually, you know, exchanging cash and all that, but someone's very interested in the F30. It's not technically sold. We're not shaking hands or anything like that. He wants to see the car in person. I know he watches the videos. He's probably watching this video. So, bro, I hope you really like the car, and I hope you take it home because it is an amazing car. But anyways, guys, the show that we're heading to, I think it's by Beamers United, which is like a car group or something like that. But it is sponsored by Keys, so I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna support. I am gonna meet up with my boy Sticks, who's meeting up with me over here at McDonald's. Look who finally showed up, guys. You're late.
You know, Dominican style.
Yo, bro, you want to get food, man? I'm hungry.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that, bro. I'm starving. I didn't get nothing. Yo, I haven't seen this car in a minute, bro.
This one?
Yeah.
Might be the last time you see it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want to sell me them rims?
Bro, you want them?
I'm broke.
You good? All right. Listen, man, radios come in handy, guys. On long drives like this, they come in clutch. We literally got, yo, an hour and, what does that say? An hour and 42 minutes.
Yeah, for me it says an hour and 38.
Bro, why does your GPS always say a weird time?
I don't know.
Your GPS is always like, but it always takes us a weird way too.
Yeah, that should be tweaking. I might follow you.
Yeah, alright, bet.
Hey, is this a BMW meet?
No. It's a Honda meet. What's up, guys? We are here. Oh, check this out. Look at that. See that E30? That's pretty sick.
You, bro. He's watching you.
Who's watching me?
The car.
Oh, sheesh. Stop looking at me, you perv. Anyways, guys, we're gonna walk around, check out some of the cars. There's a whole bunch of G80s. A whole bunch of these cars I feel like you guys have seen already because they tend to come to these car shows, but we're still gonna walk around, see if we find anything new and interesting. Let's check out the new M2. This thing is crazy. Tell me what you guys think. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of it, but I personally really like it. Some of the body lines, the fender over here, I was actually talking to them about it. The way that it goes in is really, really cool. Of course, this is probably a sneak peek, but Keys did do a whole bunch of work to this thing. We have MSC intakes, the carbon strut brace, some carbon over here, a whole bunch of stuff. Is this a splitter too? I don't think this is OEM. Yeah, this thing looks sick. This one also is a manual, which I think is the way to get it. And then here's just a quick look at the rear. Those massive, massive hips. This thing looks so wide. All right, you guys remember this car? It was in my last video about a car meet. So you did a couple things. Wait, bro, did you have these wheels before? You did? Oh, I'm just not remembering. All right.
I mean,
wheels are beautiful.
The only difference.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's go. I love those things, dude. Yo, this thing is low.
So he seen the car, it didn't have skirts on it. I have KW V2s on it now.
All right, so wait, you said KW V2s, and what else did you do?
I had the side skirts.
Side skirts. Oh, that's right. Yeah. These are Maxton, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Dude, this thing looks so much better with the stance now. Yeah, this thing is sick. Bro, I still want one of these cars so bad. I asked you guys if I should get an M340, and a lot of you guys like that idea. I think it would be a cool like YouTube car as well as daily driver car to replace the 330i with. But if I get one, I really want the LCI. And the LCI is just a little expensive. Like, it's probably gonna cost me more than like an F82 M4. So do I get an M340, an M4? I don't know. I don't wanna go crazy with this car. You know, the car that's gonna replace the 330, because I still have the new M car coming. Remember that, guys. See, we could get an F82 M4. Like, here's one right here, man. Like, they're just so nice. Freaking love these cars. And a big reason why I love these cars is because this is just like a 435 on steroids. Now, I know that's probably not the best way to explain it, but you guys know what I mean when I say that. It just reminds me of my 435, which I loved. I also love that purple, but that's besides the point. But yeah, we can definitely do something like this or we can do something like that. I don't know, we have options. This car reminds me of mine. Obviously it's a 340, so golden ring top. Oh, geez. That's loud. V10. Look at this intake. This is wild. Yeah, I've never seen an intake like that.
Oh, I've seen that intake before.
Really? I've never have.
You've never seen that intake?
Yeah,
I haven't. Bro, I'm slacking.
Man.
I'm not a real car guy. That's what it is. I'm fake. This is pretty sick. Definitely going for the green theme. Got another M5 right there. Oh, people taking pictures. I should probably let them be. This looks sick. All the burnt like titanium look. Yo, that's wild. It looks really cool with the voodoo blue too. I respect it. By the way, guys, since it's getting nice out, you can finally wear t-shirts. So go check out my store, get yourself a cool t-shirt like this one. I have a few others, so go check it out, guys. Support your boy because that new M car is not gonna be cheap. You guys remember this car? The G80 with the agile front bumper. Man, I really like this. When I get my new M car, I think we're gonna have to do this for sure. Looks so cool. Slow Speed was saying that he's not a fan of it, but like, I don't know why. I think it looks sick. The colors looks really good too, honestly. And I don't think I saw it before, but he does have the silver stone, which is really nice. But this color though, man, oh sheesh, look at it in the sun. That's fuego. Yeah, it's really cool, man. It's got the red interior, nice contrast. I don't know if you can see it because of the tints. Everyone wants to tint their cars. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. Like, I don't know how well the camera shows it, but man, that is nice. All right, the guy over there was talking about his white M4, and I had to check this thing out. This thing is slammed. He is on airlift, which obviously makes sense. These wheels look crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, dude, this thing is wild. Like, you don't see too many like wild M4s, I feel like. People are usually a little more conservative with them, which is fair because that's what I like to do, but I respect when people go crazy because they're fun to see. Not my taste personally, but really cool to see. All right, guys, looks like a lot of people are leaving, but we're gonna see if we can still find some cool cars. This one right over here, Portimao Blue, I think this G80 is called, with the orange interior. That's actually a really cool spec. Nothing too crazy in the engine bay. Still a beautiful car though. Matte black, looks pretty mean. Is that pizza on his dash? Yo, let me get some. I'm hungry. This F82, man, I'm not gonna lie, man. I love F82s. Again, like I said before, it's just sort of like an extension of the 435, like a better version of it. I love the 435, never wanted to get rid of it, but if I get an F82, it's like I'm getting a better version of it. We got an E30 over here. I would love to do an E30 build, but I feel like a lot of you guys aren't gonna be interested. I feel like a lot of people just like newer cars, which I can't blame you on, but man, E30s, just such cool cars. Is it a manual? Yep, it is. This is one of my favorite colors, guys, on any BMW. Pretty sure it's Java green, but yeah, the thing's sick. By the way, shout out to Keys. We hanging out right now. All right, guys, so I didn't film it out of respect for, you know, everyone, but he did come and check out the car. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, he really liked this. So bro, I know you're watching this video. I'm glad you like the car. I really hope we can work out a deal and have you take it. To everyone else, yes, I am probably most likely gonna be selling this car. You guys know why. We're gonna be getting something bigger and better on the channel, and then also to replace this car. Like, if I get rid of this car, it's not just gonna be gone. Like, it is gonna be replaced with something. So I will have the new M car, the X3. I was gonna originally have this, but we will replace this eventually with another car. I'm still thinking F82, potentially Supra, potentially M340, and potentially getting a 3 Series and converting it to an M3, and 3 Series wagon specifically. So we'll have like an F81 wagon. I mean, we literally fully convert it to an M3. I do an engine swap and everything, full fenders, you know, bumpers, interior, all that. That would be a big project, but I think it would be something that would be really, really cool and different on the channel. Something that I haven't done before. Something like, you know, that, you know, to that extent. So again, the point is I'm gonna be replacing this car with something else. What is it? I don't know yet. We have to figure that out. Anyways, with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.